Ge could be imagined as evolving from the shape of this weapon. Ge means dagger axe. Characters with ge as a component most have to do with weapon, war, and fight. 倒戈 倒 fall 戈 dagger axe 倒戈 change sides in a war. There have been several defections from the ruling party. Defection 倒戈 Character 我 evolves from the shape of a type of weapon, but it's hard to recognize it. 我 could be seen as consisting of 手 hand and 戈 dagger axe. The evolution of 手 手 could be imagined like this with 5 fingers. The evolution of 戈 我 could be imagined as that I hold a dagger axe with my hand. 我 means I, me. 我 means I, me, we. I think, therefore I'm single. 我思考，所以我单身。自我，自 self， 我 self， 自我 self, ego. They say that when a man holds a woman's hand before marriage, it's love. After marriage, it's self-defense. Self-defense, 自我防御。I burnt my ego yesterday. It took the fire department 5 hours to put it out. Ego, 自我。我们，我 I. Man after personal pronoun or a noun referring to a person to form the plural. 我们 we, us. Life is under no obligation to give us what we expect. Us, 我们。Once I had multiple personalities, but now we are feeling well. I, 我 we, 我们。Pardon me for not rising. 请原谅我没有起来。Drawing on my fine command of language, I said nothing. My, 我 I said nothing. 我什么也没说。Let's learn character 句 The evolution of 句 The evolution of 口 mouth. 句 could be imagined as a hook circling a mouth, which means hooking together words from the mouth. 句 means sentence. 句子句 sentence. 子 suffix. 句子 sentence. How do you punctuate the following sentence? I saw $100 bill on the ground. Make a dash after it. Sentence. 句子。我来说两句。我 I. 说 say. 两 a few. 句 sentence. 我来说两句。Let me say a few words. 造句造 make. 句 sentence. 造句 make sentences. One of the first things school children in Texas learn is how to compose a sentence without the word shit in it. Compose a sentence. 造句